This video will show you how to restrict access to a Moodle activity or resource according to activity completion status. Using this restriction is especially helpful if you have a series of tasks that you want students to complete in a specific order. Here is an example using restrict access with activity completion, where I want my students to undertake 2 activities in a specific order. To demonstrate this example, I am logging in as a student. You can see I am not able to access the second activity, and I see the restrict access message that this material is not available unless the first activity is marked complete. There are 2 steps involved in using this type of restriction. The first step is to add activity completion on the activity you want students to complete first. For instructions on how to do that, please refer to our tutorial linked in the description box below. In this example, I have already completed this step. The second step is to apply the restrict access setting to the activity you want students to progress to after completing the first step. In your Moodle course, turn on Edit Mode in the upper right-hand corner of the Moodle. Go to the activity you want to restrict access to, and click on the Edit menu on the right-hand side of the activity. Choose Edit Settings. On the Edit Settings page, under Restrict Access, click Add Restriction. In the pop-up window, click Activity Completion. You can see that Activity Completion restriction is added to this activity. In the Choose drop-down menu, select the activity students must complete before accessing this one. Select the completion condition on the right side of the drop-down menu. Add as many restrictions as are appropriate to the activity by clicking Add Restriction. Make sure to click Save and Return to Course to save the change. Now you can see the restricted message below the activity. For other restrict access examples, please refer to our videos in the description box below.